Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting Chime notifications for direct deposit transactions or low balances alerts? Here's exactly where to turn them back on. Go to your iPhone settings and then scroll down to the list of installed app until you see Chime, or you could just directly search for it. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it. Then tap notifications. Make sure allow notifications is toggled on. If it's gray, tap it to turn it green. Now, check the alerts tile below. It must be set to banners or alerts, not none. If it says none, notifications are technically allowed, but absolutely nothing will appear on your screen. Also turn on sounds and badges. After fixing those, scroll back up to the top of settings and tap focus. There, go through each focus mode you use. Sleep, do not disturb, work, tap each one. Then, tap apps and make sure Chime is not in the silenced app list. If it's there, remove it. Direct deposit alerts are time sensitive. Both the iPhone notification permissions and your focus settings must be correct for them to reach you. So all you've got to do is go to Chime, allow notifications on, set style to banners, check focus mode, aren't silencing it. Chime alerts will come through and that's it. Subscribe.